Hello everybody, my name is Michael Holiday, and I am going to be showing you the barn cats that we just got. It's a beautiful day outside. There's our tree, there's the garage. Got about 12 acres of land. This is the she shed for my sisters and my mom. Open this door. Oscar? Let's see where he's at. So this is it. That's where the barn cats hang out. See if I can find him. Kiki? Where are they? I haven't seen them in a while. They're really sweet. Hello? Alright, let's climb this. See if they're back here. Kiki? Oh, sorry guys. Guess they don't want to be seen today. I'll show you the horses. I think that door could be any quieter. There's the Bobbers. There's Bobbers. There's Bobbers. Alright. Hopefully I don't step in poo. Baba! There you are. Kinder, how are you today? Very talkative. Don't sneeze in my face. Good Wayne, he's such a good little boy. There's Kimber, our girl. She's a nut. There you are, Oscar. How are you? I thought you were inside. Here's Aubrey. Here's Oscar. And Nut. How are you? Hello. Oscar's the more friendly one. Oh, yeah, and Aubrey's more skittish. He does not care. Thought you were inside, Baba. These are just standard gingers. She's kind of special because it's a she and not a he. Usually gingers are male cats. For some reason she's a she. But yeah, he just does not care. So, that's it. Found the cats and they're following me. Hello. You've got your pets. You've gotten your pets. You literally have gotten your pets. I love you guys. Alright. Bye guys.